This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. Strong, durable, and dependable. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.